Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall LearnDash from your WordPress site, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall LearnDash from your WordPress site, begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Installed Plugins to view all the plugins currently active on your site. Locate the LearnDash plugin in the list of installed plugins. Once you find LearnDash, click the Deactivate link below its name. After deactivating the plugin, the option to delete it will appear. Click on the Delete link to remove the LearnDash plugin from your site. A confirmation dialog will pop up asking if you are sure you want to delete it. Confirm the deletion by clicking the OK button. Now that the plugin is deleted, navigate to the LearnDash settings. From the dashboard, go to the LearnDash LMS tab. Here, check for any courses or content that may still be linked to LearnDash. If you want to remove this content, go to the Courses section under the LearnDash LMS tab. Select each course you want to delete and click on Trash. Once all courses are deleted, navigate to your Pages section. Check if there are any pages created specifically for LearnDash. Delete any unnecessary pages that are related to LearnDash. Finally, consider going to your database settings through phpMyAdmin if you're comfortable doing so. Search for any LearnDash entries in your database and remove them if necessary. After completing all these steps, LearnDash will be fully uninstalled from your WordPress site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.